Tales for Tots. Hello kids! Welcome to the Wild Animals quiz. Are you ready to play? Let's start. Can you guess who it is? It is the king of the jungle.
It's a lion.
You are right. It's a lion. Can you guess who it is? It is the largest cat in the world.
It's a tiger.
You are right. It's a tiger. Can you guess who it is? It has a long tail and eats bananas.
It's a monkey.
Good job! Yes, it's a monkey. Can you guess who it is? It likes to eat eucalyptus leaves.
It's a koala.
Excellent! Yes, it's a koala. Can you guess who it is? It is very adorable and enjoys eating bamboo.
It's a panda.
Amazing! Yes, it is a panda. Can you guess who it is? It is the largest land animal in the world.
It's an elephant.
Fantastic! Yes, it's an elephant. Can you guess who it is? It likes to eat honey and fish.
It's a bear.
Superb! Yes, it's a bear. Can you guess who it is? It likes to eat grass and fruits.
It's a deer.
Amazing! Yes, it's a deer. Can you guess who it is? It has black and white stripes.
It's a zebra.
Awesome! Yes, it's a zebra. Now let's move on to the final animal. Can you guess who it is? It is the tallest land animal in the world.
It's a giraffe.
Awesome! Yes, it's a giraffe. Hooray! You have guessed all the animals correctly. I hope you enjoyed learning about these wild animals with me today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Tales for Tots. Stay tuned for more wild animals next week.